Hi guys, it's Friday night and it is Boxy Charm night. Is that backwards? It looks backwards. I don't know why, but it does. It's Boxy Charm night. It's June 2020 Boxy Charm. In the background, just for a little bit of music, I'm going to play On and On cartoon featuring Daniel Levi. It's a non-copyright sound song. It's the Balm. I love it. It's very good. Okay, so yeah. So let's see, what do we get for our Boxy Charm June 2020? I never showed these before. I didn't think anybody would be interested in, but Boxy Charm Oasis. Oh, it does give us a little card. Well, what do you know about that? And it gives you the MSRP. I don't think I'm gonna like anything in here. Okay, so this one here is, what the heck is it? Circadian Lip Trio. Hold on, I need a drink. I made this myself. Pretty impressive, right? Right? All the way? I know. I got talents. Talents. Can't get a good haircut to save my life. Look how long these wings are getting. Okay, so what is this? This is Beauty Vault Circadian Lipliner Trio. So this sells for lip liners, are buttery smooth and blends easy. And it's supposed to be $18 for these 3 liners. Okay. So let's see what the colors are. They're actually all colors I would wear. There's a little swatch. There's that color. Okay. There's that color. I don't know what its name is. You know, and people really wanted, so here's the third one in here, the second one in here. Ooh. It's a little bit too pinky, but it is luscious feeling. I kind of like it. And this one is another brown. It's kind of like a burnt sienna. Not too shabby, right? I mean, 3 for $18. I guess that's a deal. You know, I do go through a lot of pencils, so that's true. Okay, so I guess I won't be passing that down. All right, this is really Kat Von D Signature Precision Brow Pencil. Kat Von D went out of business, so this is like old stuff, or as I call it, it's literally like collector's merchandise because, yeah, it's now KVD, which is something vegan beauty. I don't know. So there is no more Kat Von D. She like literally sold out. What color is this? What price are they giving this? Oh, they're calling it KVD Vegan Beauty, but it's not. It's Kat Von D. What is this switcheroo? Long wear pomade, $20. Crafted brow. Okay, I'm gonna check a crafted brow with this. I bet you I could. Just using the viewfinder. Can I? I'm gonna look stupid. I don't even know what color this is. I don't know. You know, when I look in the mirror, I'll probably be mortified that I actually did it on camera without a mirror. Okay, so we have a Kat Von D collector's box is what we have. We have a box to collect. Yay! I collect weird boxes. Don't ask me. It's a thing. It's a thing. All right, what is this? Touch and Soul. I like their products. I like their Boom Boom cream. Yes, it's not pronounced bum bum. It's boom boom. Boom a boom. And this is called Pretty Fitter Glossy Skin Balm. Yeah, that's what I need. I again, I don't like that. You know, unless I earned a sweat. I don't need it. So this here is an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. MSRP $32. $32 to make your skin look like you've been sweating all day. Yeah, that's what I want. I want that. Yes, yes. And exactly what. Alright, so this looks kind of tricky if you ask me. Wait a minute, why is it like this? Hold on. This is bizarre. Wait. Okay, I will give them the package design. It's confusing AF, okay? So you get it like this, right? And you think, oh, it's upside down. It's not upside down. Exactly how I opened it. Oh, wait, it is upside down. Because it doesn't... Lids don't normally open this way and have this little, kind of little sticky thing sticking out of it. You see? Not really a scent. Hey, there's no safety seal on this. Boxy Charm, what's up? What's good? It doesn't... Wait. Oh, it does smell. Okay, so if you want to attract mosquitoes at your next 4th of July barbecue, rub the personal sweat all over your skin. Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. Yeah, it definitely has a scent. It's a very slight, but you know, I have a big nose. That's why I smell things. Okay, we are on to the second to last product. And from Tula Skincare, what do we have from Tula Skincare? Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. Okay, $28. This eye balm stick delivers... I know, this is really sad that I have glasses on and I'm using a magnifying glass. I'm blind. I'm blonde, I'm blind. It's terrible. There's even a light on here. Okay, so this balm stick delivers a lip from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines around the eyes. You'll feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized. You can glow and get it. $28. Okay, this one's 28 buckies. Probiotics and superfoods. Do I want to glow? Is glowing a thing? If glowing is the same thing... Oh, this is cute. It's a little tiny bottle. I'm hiding my bruise. See, I was lying saying Nick abuses me. He doesn't. I bruise real easy. It's my blood is so thin from all the meds I take. What is this? Can you see this? Can you see it? What is this? Huh. What is it? Oh. Smells like soil. What does it smell like? It doesn't smell fresh. No, I would not describe this. I don't know what it... Clean and effective. Right, when I smell this, I don't think of clean. Clean is not what I think of. It smells like old ladies. I don't know. It's weird. It looks good on you. I'll try it. We'll see. You know, that's why I love Boxy Charm. I do. Their customer service is confusing AF, but I love being a charmer. And here we have Violet Voss Essentials. Another palette. Another palette. Oh my god, I'm gonna be like Nikki Tutorials, and I'm gonna have 100 palettes. So Violet Voss, $29. Essential Shadows. Refreshing new take on essential shades. 10 full-size pans of warm and cool tones and breathtaking mattes and metallics. Pro Series eyeshadow. Okay, so that means it has a mirror. Hi, gorgeous. Getting ready for bed. Is that why no makeup? I know I try and say don't ever go without makeup on, but here I am breaking my own girl code. That's not too bad, right? I know, lots of blurs. Okay. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Trying to look in the camera. Is that a pink? It is a pink. Look at that pink. I'm going to wear the heck out of that pink. Oh, and the cream above it. Heck yeah. I was wearing baby blues. I'm bringing blues back. Hey, like it's the 70s. Yeah. I totally wore the baby pink, baby blue on my eyes the other day. Totally. And I outlined it with this hot purple. Went to Walgreens. Yep. Had to look good underneath that mask. Okay, so this is it. This is my Boxy Charm. So if you total them up, okay, so I'm a product of Chicago Public Schools, so I'm just going to give you a rough estimate. We has 29, 28, so let's say 60 and 32, we'll say 90 and 20, 110 and 18. Okay, well, you know what? It definitely, if I were going to buy these things, definitely would have cost me more than, I think I have a six-month subscription that's probably $173 every 6 months. It comes down to maybe $24 a box, $23 a box, so the value's there. Especially for the collector's edition. Kat Von D. Girl, vaccinate your kids. Vaccinate your kids. Don't get me started. Don't get me started. Okay, you want them to live? They'll just be giving everybody else crazy ass sicknesses. Vaccinate your kids. I wonder if that's why she gave up cosmetics game. Maybe she can't afford medicine. I don't know. I'm just being foolish now. Okay, well, this is my vlog. My Boxy Charm first one of June. I think I'm going to go ahead and do it again for the next 6 months. Tokidoki, guys. Tokidoki. Reppin' Tokidoki LA. Tokidoki LA. Yeah, so thanks for watching. If you like it, subscribe. You don't have to watch all the time. Just subscribe. I need subscriptions. Watch time is nice, but subscriptions is what I really need. So if you know somebody who likes Boxy Charm and just is feeling generous with subscriptions, please. Thank you. Okay, we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.